Uh-huh. That's right. You open that door. There you go. Nice balancing. You want help? Okay. There you go. Yes. Get your balance. That's right. That's right. Cool, buddy. You're balancing. You're balancing. You're balancing. Up here. That's it. Careful. That's, wow. Wow. I know. Very cool. Shoo. Shoo. Here. There you go. And yum. That's it. Look at you balancing. Look at you balancing. You. Uh-huh. There you go.
Yeah. You know what happens in that room? Lots of messes. Is it fun?
You're trying to open, huh? And close. Yay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That's it. That hand. You want to be able to open the door? Let's see if it's over here. There. Even more. Open it even more. Wow. That's right. That's cool. That's cool, buddy. There you go. That's cool. That's cool. That's right. Yeah. Uh-huh. Hold it there. Yes. Zoom. Yeah. All right. There you go. There you go. Yeah. You got it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's right. You learn to keep your fingers out of the door. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. Zoom. Zoom. Uh-huh. Yes. Boom. Yeah. That's it. That's it. Nice. That's it. Wow. Uh-huh. You're just sideways, huh? Yeah. Uh-huh. You got it. Look at you, one-footed. One-footed. Here. You better... Where do you want that hand? That's it. Ha-ha. Uh-huh. Oh, this... Okay, you can do it with your left hand. All right. I think that's a good idea. Wow. Boom. Uh-huh. Are you balancing here? Yes, you are. Shoo, shoo, shoo. That's right. Boom. Nicely done.